How to change Facebook cover photo without posting. In this video, I will show you how can you easily change your Facebook profile cover photo without posting it on anybody's feed. So without any delay, let's get started. For that, firstly go to your profile and click on Add Cover Photo. Then click on Upload Photo option and choose the photo which you want to upload. Then after, you need to click on Save at the top right corner, and then it will take some time to upload depending upon your Wi-Fi connectivity. After it is uploaded, refresh your profile once. Now it has been uploaded. Scroll below and then click on the three dots at the top right corner of the post. You will see the option of Hide from Profile. Click on it and click on Confirm. And that's all. Your cover photo has been updated and still it will not be gone to anybody's feed. So that's all. That is how easily you can change your cover photo on Facebook without posting it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.